lovelies, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm so excited because I'm doing a Christmas look. Christmas is my favorite holiday, so I'm really getting in the Christmas spirit, and I wanted to go ahead and create something that was a little bit out of my comfort zone and kind of festive to just kind of show my excitement for the holiday. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Alright guys, so I am going to mess around with some colors today. I'm really in like a good Christmas mood, so we're going to try some color today. I'm going to prime my eyelids with my Juvia's Place concealer. Y'all ever get like random stuff in your eye and you're like, where's that coming from? I also don't know why my eyes look so red on camera underneath there. It's not like that in person. I'm not sure what's causing that. But anyways, so the first shade I'm gonna go in my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I'm gonna take the shade Red Ochre and I'm gonna just start putting that in my crease. And next I'm going to go into the Chocolates by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to take that brown shade down there in the corner, this one right here. I'm just going to deepen that red a little bit. I'm going to take a smaller brush and go in and deepen it. You guys, it is so windy outside. I'm so sorry if you hear that. But like the wind is really going crazy today. I'm not sure what's going on, but now I'm gonna go back in with Red Ochre just a little bit to soften out the edges. So for my lid, I'm gonna take my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to go in with the red shade, and I'm gonna put that on my lid. Okay, I'm gonna try something I've never tried before. I have these like little cosmetic jewels, and I have some red ones, and I'm going to put them along my like where my wing liner would go. You'll see. Guys, these little 3 jewels was by far the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. It literally just took me like 20 minutes to put six jewels on my face. Like, oh my goodness. Okay, so for my face, you guys know the drill. Using my Juvia's Place concealer, applying that to all the places that I want to highlight. I actually forgot to put my NYX concealer on first, but it's fine. I'm going to blend all of this out. Also, you guys, a huge tip that I forgot to mention in my last video is that if you are doing eyeshadow, like playing around with a lot of color, it's definitely best to do your eyes first, because when you do your concealer, you can clean up any like messy lines and just make it look really neat. And also you won't have to deal with fallout on your makeup if you've already done your foundation routine and then you put eyeshadow on. Sometimes the fallout will fall over your makeup that you've already put on your face. So it's a lot better to just go ahead and do your eyes first. Just a little quick tip. Quick tip for you guys. I'm gonna contour with my NYX Wonder Stick. I'm going to set my highlight with the Makeup Revolution setting powder in Banana Deep. Then to set the rest of my face, I'm taking my L'Oreal True Match blendable powder. Now let me know if you guys want a full in-depth foundation routine, because I feel like I could explain a lot more in-depth what I do when I'm doing my foundation routine. So let me know if you guys would like to see that, because I don't mind doing a video just focusing on foundation and blending and how to contour and all that stuff. And then I'm going to set my contour with my Black Radiance palette. I'm going to wear a little bit of blush today, and I'm going to take that red ochre shade that I used on my eyes from my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm just going to use that as a little bit of blush. So I'm going to go back up to my eyes, and I'm going to take the red shade from Take Me Back to Brazil, and I'm going to put it in, not in my waterline, underneath my waterline. Then I'm going to go in the Chocolates palette and take that brown and just do the same thing. I'm going to go back in the red one more time because I kind of want to create like kind of an ombre underneath. So I'm going to put the red more towards like my inner corner and then just kind of blend it into the brown. For lashes, I'm going to take my faux lashes in the style Miami from Lily Lashes. I'm going to take my Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara and just put some on my bottom lashes. I'm going to just take some black liner and go over the top of my lashes. Now for lips, I'm going to line them with a brown liner. And then I'm going to blend that out with a little lip brush. So I'm going to take this Milani lipstick, and it's in the shade 22, I believe. I'm not really sure where to find these colors, but it's a red lipstick by Milani. This lipstick applies very liquidy and then it dries matte. So I'm going to blend it out and then let it dry so it'll actually set in. I'm going to go with my brow pen by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Get myself some faux freckles. I'm going to set my face with the e.l.f. Makeup and Mist set. Okay, so that is it for this look. I think it's a super pretty, like, Christmassy look. It's definitely out of your comfort zone, but not doing too much. But obviously you could tell that it's like a festive look. This is really fun. It took me forever to get this look done, but I love how it turned out in the end. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I pray that you guys have a wonderful holiday. Merry Christmas to you guys. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video.